Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Baka hindi mo alam, meron tayong sariling channel for water sign ha, Water Sign Philippines. Feel free to check it out. Okay? Wait lang guys. Ayan, nilipat ko lang ang camera. Sa mga gusto mo pa personal reading, Jing card reader, and yung aming friend ko yun guys. Ako, open ako ngayon, pero pwede kang mag-inquire doon sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Maaaring hindi mo yan ma-search. So, ang i-search mo, hashtag Unicorn Princess Tarot. Walang space sa Facebook para ma-search mo yung pinaka-page namin. Tapos, kung ayaw mo naman na sa Facebook page mag-inquire, pwede naman sa Gmail, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Okay, so let's start your reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Okay, so kung hindi ka makakarelate, wag ipilit, may mga next reading pa. For water sign. Okay. You discover the Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the Sun, the Star is at the bottom of the deck, I just heard something. Pwedeng, bago ka manood sa akin or habang nanonood ka sa akin, may tumawag sa'yo. Para may tumawag sa pangalan mo or sa'yo. This could be a reading. Anyway, Two of Cups is here. Two of Pentacles. Dalawa yung major arcana, the Sun and the Star. Okay. I feel like you are wishy-washy ngayon pagdating sa relationship. Kakonect mo. May times that you are happy with the Sun. And the Two of Pentacles, this is showing to me as yung connection mo with this person. Parang may times na okay naman. May times na hindi. Like katulad ng seesaw, di ba? May times na nasa taas, may times na nasa baba. I feel like you still want something, no, with the Star. Parang may gusto ka pang something. Sino ba the person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love for water sign? Person na kakonect ni water sign. May angel number nagpakita sa akin. This is the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. So, this is 111, angel number 111. Pwedeng lagi nagpapakita sa ito. So, this is a confirmation. Itong message na ito is for you. So, itong person na to could be a new person. Itong kakonect mo na ito. I feel like gusto mo tong person na ito. And you feel a lot of spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa with the moon. Pwedeng napapanaginipan mo pa siya, ganun. Or pwede rin namang hindi. It's just that with the Star, pwedeng gusto mo tong taong to. Pero, part of you is, sabi ko nga, wishy-washy. There are times na you could be in a relationship with the Two of Pentacles, Two of Cups, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may isa ka pang kakonect. And then there are times na masaya ka naman doon sa connection na yan. May mga times din naman hindi. So, itong other person, another angel number, 222. Okay? Nandito pala si Two of Swords. Si Two of Cups at saka si Two of Pentacles nandito rin. So, 111, 222. Oh my gosh. Guys, this could be a twin flame connection. Sorry about that. I just saw something. Nakita kong bata eh. Yeah. Anyway. And I'm alone, of course. Nandito ako sa kwarto. Mag-isa lang. I just saw a child. And, anyway. Medyo active ang aking mata ngayon. So, I'm seeing stuff. Ngayon, saan na ba tayo? Kung bakit ko nasabing twin flame connection, guys, ay, wala pa ako masyado na pull out na card ha. There's this 222, there's this 111, and there's this 555 doon sa video as I am recording this. Yung time na nakita ko is 555. And tapos, there's the sun, there's the moon, and the star at the bottom of the deck. Moon, sun, and star. So, some of you, this is spiritual connection, soulmate connection. Okay? And pwedeng nararamdaman mo yun. Yeah, the star. The star is really showing here. Gusto talaga niya magpababa. Kasi nasa bottom of the deck yung star kanina. So, dapat talaga siya, marere-shuffle na siya. As I get another message. Pero, lumabas siya. Habang siya shuffle ko yung card. Bumaba siya. So, yeah, this could be a twin flame or soulmate connection. Emotion mo for this person. The star, the 6 of wands, and the 8 of wands. Emotion niya for you. 8 of pentacles, the tower, and 3 of wands. 4 of wands is at the bottom of the deck. Anyway, I'm seeing na dito, gusto mo ng taong to eh. The star showing to me is pagka gusto mo dito sa taong to. The 8 of wands, and the 6 of wands, I can see problem or pagkakagulo, pag-aaway sa family. So, maybe there's problem within the family ngayon, sa pamilya mo, na isa pa ito sa nagiging dahilan para mas gustuhin mo lalo tong taong to. Like, nagcha-challenge ka. The 8 of pentacles, the tower, the 3 of wands. Minsan nakikita natin dito, this person is working hard, no? Focusing sa kanyang career. Ang tinatapos niya ngayon or ang ini-end niya is yung pag-iisip sa'yo or pakikipag-connect or communicate with you. Maybe there's some kind of decision na nangyari dito sa connection na to. Parang decision na wag na lang or i-end na lang or mag-focus na lang ako sa ibang bagay. Ganyan. 4 of wands is here, so yeah, focusing on stability for now. Yung person mo could be focusing sa kanyang stability and ikaw din naman. What is the message for the future for you, water signs, spirit guides, angel guides? What do we have here for the sign of water sign? 9 of cups, the justice card. Major arcana, justice card, 10 of cups. That is Libra energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Gusto lumabas nito, the lovers. This is Gemini energy, also a major arcana, 4 of swords. Death card, also a major arcana. Scorpio energy. Well, I can see some kind of celebration in the near future for you. Like party, ganun. Maybe a birthday of someone or you will be attending something like kasayahan, salo-salo, ganyan. The Justice card is here. So, and then your future is like an advice for you na parang kailangan mo maging tapat or totoo sa sarili mo. Ano ba yung gusto mo talaga mangyari? I can see connection, relationship, or match made by heaven. It's like I feel like this is the person para sa'yo. But you have to be real or true to yourself bago mangyari yung connection na yon. Yung iba, you need to cut off and things in your life para mas mag-work out sa'yo yung connection mo with this person. The person that you're dealing with is listening sa kanyang guides. Okay? Or I just saw the Avatar, by the way. I don't know if you're watching that Avatar, like Avatar movie. Or if not Avatar, something to do with people na may mga tattoo sa mukha. It could be because kultura, tradisyon, or pwedeng ano tawag doon? Yung pwedeng pinatattoo lang nila na you could be watching that recently. Mga taong may tattoo sa mukha. Anyway, so yung taong to is nakikinig siya sa intuition niya or nakikinig siya sa pero wala siyang magawa because the Four of Swords, wala siyang magagawa or wala siyang ginagawa in the future, wala siyang magawa din. And the Death card, it is up to you kung paano magkakaroon ng new beginning itong connection ito. Like you have to make some kind of decision or kailangan mong maging totoo sa sarili mo. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Yeah, there's nothing happening here in the future for the two of you kasi may mga kailangan kang gawain muna. Sana mag-comment kayo sa baba. Malaking bagay sa akin yun. Heart, smileys, kahit anong comment, tuldok, masaya na rin ako dyan. Yeah, and if you don't like the way I read, pwede ka namang mag-next video lagi. Hawak mo naman ang cellphone mo. Maraming salamat and iyan ko ng video dito and bye-bye.